time that you don't know. Lost my mind and lost my goal. Not giving in.